If you're getting a lot of spam or unknown calls on your iPhone, there's a feature that can help you handle them automatically. You can screen unknown callers. When this is enabled, your iPhone will act like a personal secretary. So when someone calls you from an unknown number, the caller will be asked to provide information before the call reaches you. This often makes spam callers hang up immediately, since they don't get direct access to you. The phone will ring once the person identified himself. Tap View to read what the person said. You can also type to reply, and the virtual secretary will say to that person what you wrote.
To turn it on, open Settings, scroll down and tap Apps. Find and tap Phone. Scroll down and under Screen Unknown Callers, choose Ask Reason for Calling. As an extra option, you can also turn on Live Voicemail in the same settings menu. This lets you see a live transcription of the voicemail while the person is speaking, so you can decide whether to answer or ignore the call. And that's it. A simple way to reduce spam calls and take more control over who reaches you. If this helped, consider subscribing for more iPhone tips and tutorials.